Perth to Albany, WA road trip, November 2021. G'day guys, Jim coming at ya. Yeah, lovely little drive down to Albany there. From Armadale to Albany, it takes you just over 4 hours to drive down there. Yeah, last time I drove down to Albany was 2017. I took my van down there and successfully went down there and back, no problem at all. So yeah, it's been a while since I've been on the road down to Albany. I've been down twice. I've been into Albany twice. I've cruised into Albany on a cruise ship twice now, and I've been down quite many times over the years. But fantastic place to go down for a holiday. Probably a fantastic place to live as well, nice and cool. Yeah, so I wanted to see if what has changed along the way. Yeah, everything seems pretty much the same. There's one place I stopped at in 2017 in the van. Unfortunately, that place has gone down. I'm assuming due to COVID or other circumstances. So yeah, I wanted to check out that place. Fortunately, it wasn't open. So I'm going to put up some photos of my trip down to Albany. This video here obviously was to 2021, but I've got photos of my trip in 2017 that haven't really seen the light of day, so I'm going to stick them up on this video and reminisce as well. And I've got other videos I'm going to down in Albany that I'm going to edit and put on my channel, so don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Yeah, so the way things are now, we can't, us West Australians, we can't really travel overseas yet in the way the world is now. Yeah, it might be some time, hopefully next year, we'll see what happens. Yeah, the car went well. Yeah, I'm going to put up some photos coming up to 2000, well, photos in 2017 when I arrive at this location, which is unfortunately closed for business. So yeah, alright, I'll put these photos on, and yeah, well, it's such a great place actually. I actually bought some stuff from there, so I was hoping it would still be open, but unfortunately the way times are, it's not. So alright, wait till we get to it and I'll stick some photos up. This place here is Beaufort's Food. There's a picture of me in 2015 in the van. It's the last time I drove down to Albany. This is quite a pretty cool place. I was quite impressed with it. Creepy Hollow. This is obviously 1 week before Christmas. The markets, cafe, and yeah, it's done quite well. So it's quite a shame to see it closed down. You can see there creepy little things there, and the photo's not too good there. See. Yeah, so it's got a few little things around there that's kind of standing out. I thought, how cool is this, you know? Like, you could obviously stay there. Picture of me there. Got the toilets double done up as well. And, yeah, no, it's pretty good. So, unfortunately, it's closed down. So, yeah, you can see, I'm glad I got these photos, because when I walked in, I'm like, wow, how cool is this? Out, you know, on the way to Albany. Stop off and you see this. It's like, oh, that's pretty cool. Wouldn't expect to see this out there, but no, I've done it quite well. I bought some stuff from there, and yeah, it's such a shame. It really is such a shame. So I'm glad I got these photos and sticking them up here so I can give them a lot of day sort of thing, because I've got many photos that I like to put in a video, and these are the ones. I'm glad I put these photos in the video to see what was there before it closed down. It's one of the dolls there. So yeah. So the last time I came down to Albany was 2017, and I parked the van just here. So yeah, I parked the van just here. So check this place out. I'll put up some photos here. I don't know if it's still open, but yeah, when I came down, they had all these pictures up, but it mightn't be open. I think. So yeah, so it's been a while since I've driven down to Albany. I've come down to Albany in, on the cruise ship, our store, and the Rhapsody of the Seas. So yeah, today's the 24th of November. So it looks like they're not open. 24th of November, the day after my birthday. Yeah, so this is, I've got a photo here. Looks like they're not open, but I had a picture here. Looks like they're closed there. So I'll put that picture up, and then over here was the toilets, which they're now changed. I'll put a picture of that up as well. So yeah, so a bit of a drive. Yeah, nearly there. Bit of a drive from Perth to Albany, but it's nice little run. But it looks like it's not open here anymore. But they had some caretaker had some stuff in there before, like what do you call it? Halloween stuff here when I came. It was Christmas, 1 week before Christmas in 2017. But yeah, it's obviously changed now, so it doesn't look like there's much going on here. But they had some second-hand stuff here as well. I bought a doll toilet on a roll. Yeah, so anyhow, we're getting there. It's a perfect day here. So yeah, we'll keep, we'll soldier on to do, I think we're heading off to Kojonup this next one. So yeah. Okay, so just arrived here in Kojonup, and shut the door. So you got a electric. This is where you charge your car up here. So you can charge your electric car up here now. So powering Kojunup's energy future. So yeah, so you got electric car, you can charge it up there. It's a lovely day. Day. Okay, so I was standing here in 2017 with the van parked there in Kojonup. Here I am in 2021, November the 24th at Kojonup. Fantastic Kojonup. So yeah, there you go. Beautiful day here in Kojonup, and we'll soldier on. Okay, so we're about to check out the Australian Rose Maze. Apparently this is, alright, let's have a look. This is it here. Maze. Three Women's Stories. So if you like roses and you're in Kojonup, I recommend stopping off and checking this out. It's apart from the flies, it's pretty cool. So the Australian Rose Maze. Australian Rose Maze, there it is, let's get to check it out. Middleton Beach, Emu Point, Lake Grace.
Oh, Emu Point, that's what I was thinking of, the Emu Point.
Emu Point.
Couldn't remember.
City Centre, that's the one. Yep, should be up here on the left. From hot to cold, it's freezing. It's not even heated in here. Whoa, Albany! It smells like Albany! Feel a bit of a shake. So yeah, when people start walking, you feel a bit of a shake on the edge there. So